Hi, this is Max, and this is my 2006 Beetle Convertible. It's Salvage California title, but it's registered through May of 24. It needs work, but basically a solid car. Engine and transmission are in really good shape because I've taken care of them. I've serviced the transmission several times. It works perfectly. Pretty much everything works. The top, I don't know how well the top power works, but you always can just turn the pressure release knob off and you can open the top manually if the motor doesn't work. But I don't open the top much because every time you open the top you damage the rear window. It's registered until 2024. Body's got a few nicks and knacks on them. It's got nice wheels, 17-inch factory wheels. The side mirrors need a little work. The top's okay. All the power windows work. There's the interior. Let me start it up for you. Everything pretty much works. The check engine light's on. I don't know what it's going to take to get rid of the check engine light. I want like 3,000 for this. I don't know. Everything works. The stereo works. The air conditioning works, the heater works. Air conditioning works well. Let me show you the engine. This damn thing. There's the engine. Engine smooth, 5-cylinder, 2.5 liters, a good engine. Just take it for a ride. Probably needs door panels, but the power windows work. Nice running car for around town, or you want to get started on a restoration project. This car's pretty good start. Basic solid engine and transmission, and I'm not asking a lot for it. $3,000 is what I want. Okay, thank you. This is Max's Mobile Max signing off. It's got, oh yeah, like 113,000 miles on it. Okay, thank you.